Hello everyone, welcome back to Jeriah Eman and I hope you are all doing well. I just wanted to get on here and give a quick update with my channel. So I've been pretty busy with the holidays, but now that that's all over, I'm able to get back to doing some artwork, and I'm super excited to share all my art and creativity with whoever is watching. So another update is I am now accepting portraits on Facebook. So for those of you who have been requesting a portrait, I'm able to do the portraits now, and I'm accepting orders. So please be sure to message me via Facebook Messenger or just via Facebook. And also, if you don't have Facebook, you can reach out to me on Gmail at jeriahemanart@gmail. No. That's the wrong Gmail. At jeriahemanart@gmail. So I hope these videos have been pretty encouraging. I know the times are pretty bad right now, and unfortunately, they don't look like they're gonna get any better. However, I do want to share a very encouraging verse that might be encouraging to some of you. So it's in Isaiah 26:3. I'll also put it in the description box down below. It says, "He will keep all those in perfect peace who put their trust in him and whose thoughts turn to the Lord often." So for me, I love art because I get to express the love of God, and I love capturing life and his creation and people and portraits. So for me, my source of peace is from Jesus Christ, and he's the Prince of Peace. So even though artwork is pretty therapeutic and very relaxing, my peace comes from God. He desires that everyone will come to repentance, come to him and accept him, and they too can have this peace that keeps you through good and bad times. So with that being said, I hope this video is encouraging to some of you all. Again, I will put the encouraging scriptures at the end of the video and in the description box. Please be sure to share this video with anyone you think will enjoy this channel, is interested in any artwork. I just love sharing art with whoever is watching, so hopefully you're encouraged and blessed by it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.